we're going to do some counting together today. Now, counting can be done through lots of different opportunities around the home or in the garden, such as spotting how many flowers have grown and counting how many birds you can see. When you're laying the table, counting out the knives and forks, the pieces of fruit in the fruit bowl, just counting the toys that the children are playing with. Now today I'm going to set out with the intention of doing a counting activity. So I've chosen some bricks to use. And one of the first things that I can, because I've chosen lots of different colour bricks, is I can also do some sorting as well and grouping. So I can say, can you find me all of the green bricks? Because I want to count how many green bricks there are. And then you can do some comparing. Are there more green bricks than red bricks? Which colour has got the most bricks? Because those words, more, less, the most, fewer, are really important in comparing amounts for the children. So let's get the green bricks, shall we? Okay. I've found all the green bricks, children. Here they are, all the green bricks. Oh, now the first thing that I can see is it's going to be really hard to count these green bricks reliably like this, because I can miscount and not know where I've started or where I've got to finish. So a good thing to do is to organise them. Okay, so I'm actually going to stand them up, and I'm going to stand them up in a row so I can clearly see my bricks. Now the next thing to do is to actually physically move the objects so that we don't do any miscounting, so that we don't miscount and we don't go too fast as well, which is another thing that children sometimes do. All right, children, shall we do this together? Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great counting, everybody. Well done. Now, if you are counting through play with your child, you might not be moving the objects in the same way as setting out to do a maths activity like I've just done. Say you're trying to incorporate some counting into the play. So if you can't move the objects, the next best thing is to touch them, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great counting, everybody. Objects are the first place that we start with the counting. We start with concrete objects so that we can actually touch them, pick them up, move them before we go on to counting pictures. Now, another thing that we work with the children with is to ask the children to count out from a large group. So I've got my large group of bricks here. So I want 4 bricks. Please, can you give me 4 bricks, okay? Now it's really important again to touch the objects and to say the number as we're doing it. Are we ready, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Did you remember to stop? Because I only wanted 4. Okay, and then we can check that we've got the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great counting. Okay, so we've got our large group again. This time, let's challenge ourselves and see if we can count 7 bricks. Can you give me 7 bricks, please? Shall we do it together? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And again, let's check our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many did we need? we needed 7 and we've got 7. Checking is a good way, because if your child hasn't got enough or has got too many, then they can learn to put one back or get one more until they've got to the number that you've asked for. I hope you have lots of fun doing lots of counting, and don't forget to send some videos or pictures to myself and Mrs. Doherty. Thank you. Bye.